Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you're all okay. I'm back again to do another makeup video. A couple of videos ago I done a half face of makeup of Unicorn versus Mermaid, and a few people I spoke to said they really liked it, so I just thought I'd play around with doing another one. But this time it's going to be Goodbye October, Halloween, Hello Christmas. Halloween was last week, and Christmas actually feels like it's next week, so I thought I'd try to do a Halloween themed makeup look versus a Christmas makeup look. I'm no makeup expert, ain't got a clue how this is going to pan out, but I'm in for a challenge, so here goes. I'm going to start with Halloween first, so I think this will be Halloween side. So I'm going to start off with the eyes with the Zoeva matte palette. I'm going to go in with this lighter orange just to smother the eye. Just to get a base orange colour. So there's one orange in. Then I'm going to go in with, then I'm going to go in with a bit of burgundy. So just a bit though. Then the darker orange underneath. But then, in the Soph X Revolution Extra Spice palette, I'm going to take this yellow colour just to put at the top of the orange, just to try and blend it into the brow bone. So it's like kind of a lighter colour. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that worked. Right, now it's like a burnt orange colour. Excuse me while I itch my nose. What am I going to do now? I want more burgundy in there, so I'm going to take mulled wine from the Extra Spice palette, which is like a burgundy colour again, and just do it down here because I feel like it needs more earthy tones. Oh, excuse me. So focus more again on the burgundy at the bottom. So I'm liking that. I want to try and do burgundy underneath the eye. So I'm going to take this bad boy and go in with the Zoeva of Lonely City, which is that burgundy colour. Right, so I'm going to take a brush and just try and blend it in. And then just to join them together, just to give it a little blend upwards. Does it work? I don't know. Right, so I'm happy with that, I think. Not too sure about this winged eye. I think I've tried to get it a bit too far up. Do you reckon I can try and spread it that way? Shall I attempt it? Let's attempt it. And I think I've ruined it. Right, I'm not happy with it, but I'm going to leave it there. I think I've tidied it up a bit. What do you think? That looks terrible. So I did try and fix it because I wasn't happy about it. Am I still happy about it? Not too sure, but I'm still going to carry on. I'm going to go in with a shimmer. So the shimmer I'm going to use is from the Alamex palette. I'm going to go in with, if I can open it, Stay Now. No, I'm not. Egyptian Cotton, sorry. So, and then I am going to take LA Sun from the South palette and just pop it there. Just to add a bit of colour. Not 100% happy with that, but I think it does. I think it will do. I think when my look is all finished, I reckon it will look okay. I'm just going to go in with highlighter. Now, the highlighter I'm going to use will be from the Self Highlighting palette. See, I do love this woman and the palettes. I'm going to take, are these named? No, they're not. I'm going to take this like darker one. I don't want to take the darkest, but because I think that's going to be too dark. So I'm going to take, no, I'm not actually. I have got the Revolution I Heart Makeup egg they brought out. I'm going to take this darker colour here. And also take some across the brow bone. Just to add a bit of shine. So I'm going to finish it off with brows, mascara. Why am I getting my words mixed up? So I'm going to finish it off with mascara. I'm using the MAC Bad and Bold. And then the middle part comes out for a finer one. So I'm going to go and do the lower lashes. Lower lashes are done. So I'm going to move on to Christmas. So with Christmas I am going to take the red, which is called 21 from the Extra Spice palette. And then go all over. Because it is Christmas, so we want to see red everywhere. Isn't it strange that different holidays have got different colour themes? Or is that just like a stupid thing for me to say? Right, so now we've got a red down. We want a softer tone of red, so I'm going to go in with the red from the egg. If I show you. Which is the top one. Now, have I got a white? Oh, I have. I'm going to go in with Highways from the Zoeva. Why do I keep saying Zoella? I don't even like that woman. Am I the only one who don't like Zoella? I actually feel like I am the only person on earth that don't like Zoella. So, Highways. Oh, this is a powdery white. I think I made a mistake. No, I do like that. So that's giving it a red coating. So I'm just going to make it more red. Oh my god, I was literally looking around for the palette and I've got it in my hand. I'm taking a bit of the Highways white and just popping it in the corner. I wonder if I can manage to, where'd my brush go, get some white underneath the eye. So let's have a go. Probably not going to turn out, but... that looks terrible. You know when people say you should stick to what you know? I think I should listen to them. Right. Underneath, I am going to take Dreamy from the Animex palette. It's a shimmer, and I'm just going to add it underneath there. Wow, that doesn't really want to blend. Okay, nothing's happening. I think I need a better brush. Still nothing. Okay, forget the Animex palette. I am going to go in with a bit of red just to keep it in theme. So now the red is underneath. Just want to blend it more in. So now that is all the colours done, I'm going to go in with a bit of this the lightest colour with the brush I'll just put down. And also, because I like it so much, I'm going to go round and try and exaggerate the wing a bit. I haven't gone in with another shimmer. Well, I'm going to go in with another shimmer called Come On Over, which is this whitey colour, but it's got some pink flecks to it, so I'm going to put that over the red. Yeah, I do like that. So, is that finished? I think that is finished. I am going to do the lashes. So, now that is done, I am going to take some of these gems. Oops. The gems, but actually, first I'm going to go in with the lips. Should I do the gems? No, I'm going to do the gems. So the Animex ones that came in the set that I've done, I'm going to take some of the gems from that and pop it on the Halloween side. And then I've got some Gypsy Shrine shiny ones, which you've seen in a previous video. And a bit of the white highlight for this side. And then there's only the lips to do. So for the Halloween, I'm going to go in with a black, and for the Christmas, I'm going to go in for the red. So the black I am using is the Barry Matte Me Up, and the red I am using is the Fenty Stunner Lip, because we all know it's my fave. So one half done. Have I knocked you? You look a bit higher. And then for Halloween, bit of a black lip. So yeah, that is it. And then I am just going to take some bronzer and bronze my head, because I didn't do any on my forehead. And I don't want any on my cheeks, because I want the highlighter to be the main colour. So there, that is my look done. I'm going to bring you in. So what do you think? I enjoyed that look. It's very outgoing. I am enjoying doing these half face makeup looks. So if you've got any other suggestions you want me to try, just comment down below and I'll see if I can make it happen. So I'm going to sign it off there. It's a goodbye from me, Matt, and a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.